Hello guys, Softoni here, and in today's video I will show you 2 easy ways to create a freeze frame effect here in After Effects. This is a super useful technique for music videos, edits or even cinematic scenes. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and let's jump right into it. Alright guys, here we are in After Effects, and as you can see I have already created this example 01 composition and also example 02, and this is here media 02, here's the media 01, and this is all free footage from pexels.com. Of course you'll import your own medias. And now let's create freeze frame effect, and I will now hit on this media 01, hit Ctrl Shift plus D or go edit and then split layer, this option. And if I want, for example, at this time my car to be frozen, I will go right click and find here time and select this option freeze frame. And now this means that our car will be frozen all the way from this point to the end. Now let's go to around 2 seconds or so. I will hit again Ctrl Shift plus D to split the layers. For the upper one, hit U and now click on this stopwatch to delete this hold keyframe. Okay, and now as you can see we have the result like this one when we hit 0. Okay. And now let's correct our third layer. Move it to the left side, you can also use Shift, and now select it again and move it all the way to the right side to be just above this second media 01. Now let's hit 0 to see the preview, and this is gonna be our freeze frame effect. You can easily play around here with the freeze frame duration, it's up to you to play around with this effect. Okay, this was example 01, now let's head over to example 02, and as you can see this is also free footage from pexels.com, this beautiful girl. Okay, now I will select this media 02 and let's create something awesome here. I will hit here at 1 second and 20 frames, Ctrl Shift plus D, okay, to split the layers. Now go right click, find here also time, and select again this option freeze frame. Now hold Ctrl on your keyboard and use right arrow on your keyboard, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frames ahead. Now let's hit Ctrl Shift plus D once again, and I will repeat everything, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and let's do this once again, hit Ctrl Shift plus D, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, I will split the layer once again, and here for this first media 02, hit S for scaling, I will do maybe 120. For this middle one, hit S, I will do 140, and for this one I will type 160. And now as you can see we have created this cool freeze frame effect. And also for the last layer, hit U and delete this keyframe, and what you also need to do, expand to the left side to be properly aligned with this first media 02 and just move this one all the way to the right side, hold Shift, and now let's hit 0 to see the preview. And this was cool looking animation. You can always go here and play around with the layer, maybe to make this one shorter, like so, maybe frame or 2. Let's hit 0 once again. And this is looking great. Alright guys, that was everything in this cool tutorial. I have shown you this cool technique, and you can also be creative to create your own stuffs. And also if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and also take a look at my channel, like always, for even more great tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay creative, and bye bye!